can you press it down for me to know where it was?
No, because you're gonna. I don't want to put my finger there if you're gonna hit it with the hammer. No, Thomas, these are. I've hit my finger before. You gotta hold your own finger. You gotta hold it yourself.
Right there?
Yeah.
Who's gonna do the hammer? Ooh, good job.
I can't do it.
Well, it doesn't. It's not meant to be pounded, Thomas. It's a screw. That was good.
Ow!
Well, that's.
Oh, you got your thumb? I thought you were saying
Yeah,
ow.
I've done that plenty of times.
Can I just try it again?
On the floor, Mac, not Thomas's head. Show her, Thomas. Go on the floor, please. Go, Papa.
Thank you, Mac.
Ow, your leg. I'm trying to get the hammer in. I mean your...
Thank you, Mackenzie. Oop. Thank you.
Alright.
Got the instructions. Thank you. I'll read the instructions. Thank you, sweetheart.
Hammer it, hammer it, hammer it, hammer it. Ah.
Oh no, he knocked himself out. Oh, go give him a kiss, Mackie.
Hand my head, Mackenzie. Ow, 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 ow. Mom, can you hold this? How can somebody hold this?
Thomas, why don't you go give her a kiss, and I'll shut this off, and I can hold it. You're a good guy. All right. Love you guys.